This way. Hello.
What the heck?
Hey, I fished here twice last week and I got two nice fish. One on top and one subsurface. Kind of a shelf here we can walk out a bit.
Nice. The places that I run into you at, it's just unbelievable. I just bought a 1-day permit. What's the odds that you would have the same 1-day permit for over here?
Unimaginable.
And I had no idea the Crooked River was this big.
But this is fortuitous. Keep that in mind.
I will. You got any beer?
I brought us 2 beer.
Nice.
But I don't have them on me.
Oh, okay. Well, that's all right.
I thought we'd have one. I'm trying to drink less.
That's dumb.
Well, I'm fat.
Well, so am I, but you know.
No, you're not.
You live once. How you doing, brother? What's the news? Got anything yet?
I do. I got one right on top. There's not much surface action, but he popped up and I put my fly right on him and boom.
Nice. I caught one up there. Nice little, probably, I don't know, it's probably 19, 20 inches or something.
Yeah, well, you probably got me beat. Mine was 17.
No,
Hi.
mine was only like 14.
You know, we are fishermen.
That's true.
This is 18 inches.
100%. I got a double stone fly set up here. I got a golden stone and a TJ Hooker dropper. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, hot fish. Said it's a hot fish. I went exactly where you were saying, out a little bit. Ate the TJ Hooker.
Really?
Yep. Nice red side. Yeah, literally right away.
How far under the surface?
Let me check real quick. So I know to some of you this might look a little gimmicky, and you know, some of the younger generation that just want to climb up hills faster or race professional runners, it can be kind of fun, kind of a fun toy. But for me, or if you have mobility issues, this really is a game changer. I'm wearing this on the outside of my waders, and because I had a pretty substantial back injury that's kind of flared up, which then robs strength in my lower legs, the Hypershell really is, I mean, I know it's cliche, but a game changer. It's got me back out. And not afraid to hike up steep embankments or take long walks to fishing spots. It really is a difference maker. Now it is water resistant. You don't want to completely submerge the motors, but the motors sit up above my waist and typically I don't wade that deep anyway. So if you're having mobility issues like me and you want to get out further and do more, there really isn't anything else on the market like this Hypershell exoskeleton. And if you need a little more convincing, check out the description. I'm going to put an article in there to where a local news team recently did an article on Washington Search and Rescue on how they are testing out the Hypershell so that search and rescue folks can get up to places quicker and carry more gear with less effort. So you're still putting in the work, as you can probably tell, but it makes a huge difference with exertion, right? I would not be able to do what I'm doing right now with my back stuff going on if it wasn't for this tool. I mean, it's incredible. And I'll leave a link down in the pinned comment if you want to check one out for yourself. All right, let's get back to fishing.
Get him up here.
Nice. What on?
I just tied on a new dropper, like a hare's ear with a big pink bead, but he's super pretty. Not that huge, but check him out. Check out these rosy cheeks.
Oh yeah, very nice. Very pretty. Fish on, brother. This was not the plan. There we go. Oh, I hooked somebody else's line. And look at that. Little Panther Martin. Sweet. I have some more ducks. Little babies. Where's mom?
Look at the big fish.
Woo. Ooh, yeah, whatever that is big.
Is he? Did you see him?
I did.
I saw him too, but he didn't look that big.
Yeah, he's big. He's probably high teens. There we go. Bring him in over here in the slow water. Big old whitey. Foul hook to boot. I know. I was excited for you for a hot second. There it is, James. Whitefish activate.
Give me a thrill like that. Peeling line out.
Hey, it's still a fish, and it was fun.
Still fish.
Hooked backwards, but still fun.
Dan had to come over here. Oh, you might have him hooked backwards and it's probably a whitefish. Before Dan said that, it was a 22-inch red side.
Immediately.
Right hook set right in the freaking top of his mouth.
And then a whitefish came up and grabbed it backwards.
That's right. Hooked my other line.
Whoa! See that?
I did.
That was a good red side. You know, I knew if I could wade out here, I could cast farther than you and would have better chance at hooking, you know, a fish that you probably couldn't reach, you know? So that's why I took it off, because I knew I'd probably be able to cast farther than you were and get that fish that you missed. But he was at the... You should. I would have liked to see that red side. Yeah, it's a good fish. It's probably, you know, high teens. There we go. Very end of my, very end. I don't think this one's hooked backwards either. It's fighting like a right size hooked fish. I feel like I've got a non-whitefish flies on too, which is kind of refreshing. Look at that. Nice red side. Just like that, he's off. This guy. Woo! There we go. Definitely a red side. So definitely a red side. It's not that big one I was going for, but I'm not going to complain. Spunky fish. Spunky fish. He ate the little golden stone. That guy. 13. I think there's going to be a fish here.
Huh?
I think there's going to be a fish here. There we go. Yeah. Look at that guy. Woo-hoo. Wow. They just jump like crazy.
I told you didn't have to have you
Yeah. I had so much line out because I was fishing down by you. He ate the TJ hooker. Not shocking. It's a good fish. Man. Solid 17-inch fish. It's like that, right in the net, comes off unhooked. Look at this guy. Fish on. I missed the takedown. Oh no. Oh, he's off. Damn it. James stuck in the tree again. What you got going on there, James?
you know, I haven't caught anything out here in a while, so I decided to try over here.
That's awesome.
It's working.